Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the nitrogen charging process. First, you need a set of nitrogen charge tools. It contains all the joints on the market. When you find the right joint to connect it to the gas nozzle. After the connection, turn this valve along the clock direction. Then open the valve on the nitrogen storage cylinder. We need to charge the accumulator to the pressure 7.5 MPa. The pressure tolerance plus and minus 0.5 MPa. If you like this video, subscribe to follow us. See ya.